Hello everyone, today we'll be looking at Temple Timesheets tutorial for Jira. Track time and manage work logs easily. Temple Timesheets is an advanced time tracking and work log management plugin for Jira, designed to help teams and businesses track time, manage project resources, and generate detailed reports. Temple Timesheets is a valuable tool for improving productivity and transparency in project management. Whether you are managing a small team or a large-scale organization, this tutorial will guide you through the process of using Tempo timesheets in Jira for efficient time tracking and working management in 2025. What is Tempo Timesheets? Tempo Timesheets is a Jira plugin that allows teams to log time spent on tasks, track progress, and generate reports. It integrates seamlessly with Jira, making it easy to monitor work logs, manage timesheets, and measure project performance. Key features of Tempo timesheets include time tracking, log time against Jira issues and projects, work log management, review, edit, and approve work logs for accurate time reporting, reporting, generate detailed time tracking reports for analysis and decision making. Step 1. Installing Tempo timesheets in Jira. Before you can start using Tempo timesheets, you need to install it in your Jira instance. Here's how to do it. 1. Access Jira admin settings. Open Jira and go to the Jira administration section by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. 2. Find Tempo timesheets. Navigate to Manage Apps under the System tab. Search for Tempo timesheets in the Find New Apps section. 3. Install Tempo timesheets. Once you find Tempo timesheets, click Install to add it to your Jira instance. Wait for the installation process to complete. You may need to refresh your Jira page to see the new features. 4. Activate Tempo timesheets. After installation, you can activate Tempo timesheets by following the setup wizard provided. Step 2. Setting up Tempo timesheets. Once Tempo timesheets is installed, it is time to set it up to fit your team's workflow. Here's how to configure it. 1. Access Tempo settings. Navigate to the Tempo menu in the top Jira navigation bar, then select Settings. 2. Configure time tracking. In the time tracking section, choose your time tracking preferences, such as the default time unit, hours or minutes, work week settings, and time rounding. 3. Set permissions. Go to the Permissions section and configure who can log time, approve work logs, and view reports. You can set permissions for different roles in your Jira project, ensuring that only authorized team members can edit or approve time entries. 4. Customize work log settings. Define your working requirements, such as whether users must enter descriptions for their time logs or if time logs should be approved before they are final. Step 3. Logging time in Tempo timesheets. Now that Tempo timesheets is set up, team members can start logging time against Jira issues. Here's how to log time. 1. Open the Jira issue. Go to the specific Jira issue where you want to log time. 2. Log work. In the issue view, click the Log Work button. This will open the time logging interface. 3. Enter time details. Fill in the following fields. Time spent. Enter the amount of time spent on the task. Example, 3 hours, 30 minutes. Date started. Select the date when the work was performed. Work description. Provide a brief description of the work done. 4. Adjust work log. If needed, adjust the remaining estimate and time spent fields based on your team's progress. 5. Save work log. Click Log Work to save the time entry to the Jira issue. The time will now be visible in the issue's work log section. Step 4. Reviewing and editing work logs. Tempo timesheets makes it easy to review and edit work logs for accuracy. Here's how to manage your work logs. 1. View work logs. Navigate to the Work Logs tab in the Jira issue or project to view all the log time entries. 2. Edit work logs. If a team member needs to modify a work log, they can click on the edit icon next to the work log entry. Update the time, description, or other details, then click Save to update the work log. 3. Approve work logs. Depending on your permission settings, work logs may need to be approved before they are finalized. Go to the Tempo timesheet section of the Jira issue or project to approve the log time entries. Step 5. Generating reports. Tempo timesheets provides detailed reports that help you analyze time usage and track project progress. Here's how to generate and view reports. 1. Access the Reports section. Go to the Tempo menu and select Reports from the dropdown. 2. Choose a report type. Tempo offers several report types including Worklog Report, displays time log across various projects and issues. Team Report, tracks time spent by individual team members. Project Report, summarizes time tracking for specific projects or epics. 3. Set filters. Use filters to refine your report, such as by project, team member, date range, or specific Jira issues. 4. Generate the report. After applying filters, click Generate Report to view the results. You can export the report to CSV or Excel for further analysis or sharing. Step 6. Managing teams and resources. Tempo Timesheets helps you manage your team's time more effectively by tracking the availability and workload of individual team members. 1. View team workload. Go to the team section to view the workload of each team member. This helps ensure that workloads are balanced and no one is overburdened. 2. Assign time to resources. In the team view, you can also assign time to specific team members, ensuring that time tracking is aligned with your team's project assignments. 3. Adjust availability. Set up your team's availability in the settings to account for holidays, vacations, or non-working hours. Step 7. Tempo Timesheets Integrations. Tempo Timesheets integrates with several other tools to enhance its functionality. Some popular integrations include 1. Tempo Budgets. Tempo Timesheets integrates with Tempo Budgets, allowing you to track time and expenses against project budgets. This is useful for keeping projects within budget limits and managing financial resources effectively. 2. Tempo Planner. Integration with Tempo Planner helps you plan and allocate resources more efficiently by visually managing your team's time and workloads. 3. Third-party integrations. Tempo timesheets can also be integrated with external tools such as Slack, Microsoft Teams, Google Drive, and Zapier, enabling seamless workflow automation and collaboration. Step 8. Tempo Timesheets Best Practices. To get the most out of Tempo Timesheets, follow these best practices. 1. Regularly review work logs. Make it a habit to review and approve work logs regularly to ensure accurate time tracking. 2. Standardize time entry descriptions. Encourage team members to use standardized descriptions for their work logs to make reporting and tracking more consistent. 3. Use automation. Take advantage of Tempo's automated features like work log reminders and approval workflows to streamline your processes. 4. Track time consistently. Ensure that team members log their time consistently. Regular time tracking helps prevent gaps and ensures that project performance is accurately reported. In conclusion, Tempo Timesheets is an essential tool for Jira users looking to manage time tracking, work logs, and resource allocation in 2025. With its easy-to-use interface, customizable features, and robust reporting capabilities, Tempo Timesheets helps teams stay organized, improve productivity, and gain valuable insights into project progress. By following this tutorial, you'll be able to effectively use Tempo Timesheets to track time, manage work logs, and optimize your team's performance. Whether you are working on individual tasks or large-scale projects, Tempo Timesheets simplifies time management and ensures that your team's efforts are always accurately accounted for. And that is all there is on Tempo Timesheets tutorial for Jira. Track time and manage work logs easily. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.